mateys. Greedy Gretel done steal me map, and now she want to steal me gold. We must prepare to protect our gold. So today I shall be showing you how to make a catapult. But we pirates never fight on an empty stomach, so Jolly Lobster Legs is going to make us a healthy snack as we get ready. Now prepare yourselves. The tools we be needing for our catapult include 8 small popsicle sticks, 2 large popsicle sticks, and 3 rubber bands. As an option, you can also grab a plastic spoon or a bottle cap to hold the cannons. But the first thing we shall do is take our small popsicle sticks and stack them so they are on top of each other, like this. Next, we shall take the rubber bands and rubber band each side. And then halfway through, we shall take one of our large popsicle sticks and stick it right in the middle, like this. Next, we shall take the other large popsicle stick, put it on the bottom, and line them up so they sit just like this, and rubber band that last side. And there be our catapult. If you find you have trouble keeping your cannons on the end of your catapult, you can glue a bottle cap or rubber band a spoon to the end for extra security. But here be our catapult, and we are ready for our battle with Greedy Gretel.
All right, so I have to make healthy snacks for the crew, or Captain will be angry with me, and we don't want that. So right now I'm going to make little pirates out of bananas and strawberries. Really easy. You just want to peel the banana. You'll cut maybe 3 different pieces out of a whole banana. You can make 3 little pirates. I'm just going to make one right now to show you. And I'm cutting the end off there. And now I'm going to cut the strawberry to make a little hat for the pirate. Just the end of the strawberry. You can use the entire strawberry except for the stem. And I'm just placing it on top of the banana. Now, if you have some chocolate syrup or something at your house, you can use that. I have some chocolate sprinkles, so I'm going to try my best to use them. I'm kind of pressing them into the banana to make a little face. That way it looks so much cuter. I have a good joke for you. Why did the pirate buy an eye patch? Because he couldn't buy an iPhone. Get it? Anyways, on your pirate, you can add whatever you like. I was trying to make a little mustache here, but it didn't work out very well, so I ended up just putting in as many little chocolate pieces as I could to try to make a smiley face. Even though pirates do look fierce, they do smile. They smile when they see treasure, and they smile when they eat snacks, especially healthy snacks. So hopefully you get to make this, and hopefully the captain will like it. We're going to make one more snack after this, and then we'll take it to her and see what she says. And so now we're going to make our pirate ships. Now, initially I was going to use the sliced cheese that you see there, but it did not work very well for sails. So I would advise you to use block cheese if you have a grown-up help you cut the apple, and make sure you take the seeds and don't eat the seeds, and you will probably do better with like some block cheese cut into a triangle for the sail. Right now I'm cutting the bottom of the boats, and You probably could use a toothpick, would be the best to stick into the apple and then put your sail on the toothpick. However, I didn't have any, so I'm using a little coffee stir stick straw here, and I'm just cutting it. And then instead of the cheese, I decided just to cut a piece of paper into a triangle. I just folded it and cut it and then drew a little skull and bones on it. Now I'm going to take a little pin and I'm going to poke holes in it. Now be very careful if you do this as well. You don't want to hurt yourself. And I'm poking it so that way the little stir stick can fit in, and then I'm going from the front to the back, and then I'm going to poke another hole on the top so the stir stick can go up through the top. I have another joke for you. Why was the pirate ship so cheap? Because it was on sale. Get it? Sale, we're making sales, and that's a joke about sales. I know, I'm so funny. I just don't know why the captain doesn't think I'm hilarious. But anyways, I'm finishing up here. Hopefully you have cheese that you can use, or you can actually use little pretzel sticks if you have those pretzel sticks instead of a toothpick or a little straw. And as you see, they look like little sailboats now, or a little sail, and then I'm going to stick it in the middle of the apple and it will be ready to go. So let's go take the snacks to the captain and see what she has to say. Captain, I have the snacks ready.
Finally, these snacks be ready.
What do you think, Captain?
It looks delicious. Ready to give us sustenance as we prepare to save our treasure.
Can I tell you a joke?
One more.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Interrupting pirate?